Clearing the cache on your iPhone can help free up storage space and improve your device's speed and overall performance. However, before you begin, make sure you remember your passwords because clearing cache data may log you out of certain websites and apps. To clear the cache in Safari, start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Inside the Safari settings, tap on Clear History and Website Data. Your iPhone will ask you to confirm your choice, so go ahead and confirm it to remove the browsing history, cookies, and cached data from Safari. If you prefer to clear cached website data while keeping your browsing history, there's another option. In the Safari settings, tap on Advanced, then select Website Data. From here, you can either tap Edit to remove data from specific websites individually, or you can choose Remove All Website Data. After selecting your option, tap Remove Now to confirm. Now, if you want to clear cache from other apps on your iPhone, you'll need to offload them. Offloading an app removes the app itself, but keeps its documents and data stored on your device. This means that if you reinstall the app later, your data will still be available. To do this, open the Settings app, tap General, and then select iPhone Storage. Scroll through the list and choose the app you want to clear. Tap Offload App, then confirm by tapping Offload App again in the pop-up window. If you no longer need the app at all, you also have the option to delete it completely instead of offloading it. And that's it. That's how you can clear cache on your iPhone to free up space and improve performance.